Researchers and advocates who are fighting tirelessly for a cure for Alzheimer's are really excited about a new class of drugs that are starting to come on the scene. The latest is one called Donanemab. Lilly just finished up its phase 3 trial of this drug, and what it discovered is a 35% decline in the disease's progress in those patients the drug was given to. Also, a 40% less decline in performing daily activities. And this is big too, because in 39% there was a lower risk of progressing to the next stage of Alzheimer's disease. And for researchers such as Dr. Ronald Peterson at Mayo Clinic, this is a big step.
So this is very important for our patients.
The years of scanning, testing, and searching for answers to Alzheimer's is finally showing progress. Lilly's new drug, Donanemab, is just the latest sign of hope.
So Donanemab is an antibody that goes into the bloodstream, circulates into the brain, grabs onto that protein called amyloid, and removes some of it from the brain. And amyloid is one of the proteins that actually causes the damage in the brain.
In a phase 3 trial, researchers tracking the brain scans on patients using Donanemab showed it could slow the progression of the amyloid protein plaques that cause Alzheimer's. Lilly is now expected to seek FDA approval for the drug. In January, the FDA granted accelerated approval to another drug called lecanemab. Trials by Biogen showed that drug, too, modestly slowed the progression of Alzheimer's. Neither of these drugs are cures. They don't stop Alzheimer's, but together they offer doctors new tools to slow it down.
Could this possibly buy patients, months, maybe years?
We've estimated that if in fact this drug works, we may be able to slow down the disease process by, say, 4.5 months over an 18-month trial, or 6 months over a 24-month trial. So we're trying to keep people at their current functional level for a longer period of time.
And the Alzheimer's Association believes that could help patients and families have more quality time together before the worst of the disease takes over.
So this is the game changer for Alzheimer's disease in general, is that it should encourage people to go get diagnosed early, because there is something they can do about it. And if they get on these drugs before the dementia really sets in, what a difference it's going to make in their life.
And these drugs are really only effective with those who are in those earliest stages of Alzheimer's. We're talking about people who've been diagnosed with mild cognitive impairment or mild dementia. Dr. Peterson's got a lot to say about all of this. If you'd like to listen to our entire extended interview, we've got it posted on fox9.com.